In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video to your Shopify homepage and make your online store more engaging for visitors. First, head over to the Shopify website and click on the Login button. Enter the email connected to your Shopify account, type in your password, and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, navigate to Online Store from the left sidebar menu. Now, click on Customize to open the Shopify theme editor. This is where you can visually edit and design your homepage. Inside the theme editor, look for the Add Section button. Shopify themes are built using sections, which let you easily add different types of content to your homepage. Click Add Section and select the video option from the available sections. After adding the video section, you'll be able to upload or connect your video. You can either paste a YouTube or Vimeo video link or upload a video file directly depending on your Shopify theme features. Choose a video that represents your brand well, such as a product demonstration, brand story, customer testimonial, or promotional video. Once the video is added, adjust the section settings like heading text, autoplay options, overlay content, or video alignment to match your store design. Before publishing the changes, preview your home page on both desktop and mobile view to ensure the video displays properly across all devices. It's also important to keep your video optimized and not too large, because oversized videos can slow down your store loading speed. When everything looks good, click Save at the top right corner of the theme editor to make the video live on your Shopify homepage. You can learn more through the official Shopify Help Center and explore customization tools inside the Shopify theme store. And that's it. You've successfully added a video to your Shopify homepage and created a more interactive experience for your visitors. Thanks for watching.